Hello, everybody. My name is Martin Schrappe. I'm the chairman of an international study group for pediatric acute lymphoblastic leukemia. This is the most frequent cancer in children, and the therapy is quite successful, but it's based on chemotherapy. It is working and is quite efficient, but it also has a number of severe side effects. Let's not deny that. And therefore, we are urgently looking for new ways to attack the disease. And we have recently introduced a phase 3 study, a randomized study in which we compared patients with a special high-risk form of leukemia with patients who received not only chemotherapy, but in whom we replaced chemotherapy in part by immunotherapy. Immunotherapy means using a monoclonal antibody, a bispecific monoclonal antibody, which basically utilizes the efficient T cells of the body, defender cells, against the leukemia. And this is quite efficient, and it was shown now recently that this is much more efficient than the treatment in patients who only received chemotherapy. This is a very surprising result, because we had assumed that it would be just the same, only less toxic. It is also less toxic, but it's also more efficient. And therefore, we are very glad about these results. And I will present this here in Stockholm at the meeting. I think if you look at the history of leukemia treatment development, it is not realistic to believe that one drug like Blinatumomab will do the job by itself. This is completely unrealistic, and it's dangerous, because we have reached survival rates of 90%. We are not at 10% or 5%. So we are at a very high level, and the risk is not so small that we reduce these very good results by omitting too much of the conventional chemotherapy. And let's be honest, not everything is very toxic. There are certain elements which are quite toxic, but not all the elements. So we started to take off the most toxic elements and not the least toxic elements of chemotherapy.